Namaste. I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 24 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. We're going to begin today's session by sitting in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoni Asana, which means the same, wherein I'm going to take my right heel, bring it to my center, close to my groin as possible, stack my left ankle over my right. If this is comfortable enough, you can stay here. If you think you can go further, then try and press your toes between your right toes between your calf and your thigh, and try and grab the other one. Completely sealed. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Relax your jaw. Just relaxing the muscles on your forehead, around your eyes. Keep breathing in, breathing out. You can keep your lips apart. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. You can continue to keep your eyes closed. Raise your right hand towards the ceiling. From here, you can bend to the right. Move ahead. Move forward, left and back. Again, breathe out completely. Breathe in. If you want, you can move slightly behind. Nice massage to your buttocks as you move back. And last one. Back. Place both your palms on your knees. Pull your navel in, drop your chin to your chest. Straighten your spine, chest forward, gaze, chin forward. Your seated cat and cow. And one. Come back to center. Raise your left hand all the way up towards the ceiling. Bend to the left side. And there we go again. 1, 2. Breathe out. And 3. Release. Slowly open your eyes. Now I'm going to bend my right leg, wherein my right leg is parallel to the short end of the mat and my left is parallel against the long end of the mat. Here, try and see you can keep your knees in line with your hip. From here, you're going to raise your hands up. Notice how you feel in your back and turn and look towards your left. Drop and twist. Looking all the way towards the left. If it's too much, you can be in line with your knee initially to begin with. Your right hand in front of your left knee, left hand here. You can drop onto your forearms, chin to chest, forehead to knee. Your Mrighasana. Deer pose. You can move further and then twist by bringing your right arm towards your left thigh. Going deeper into the twist, but just be aware of how it feels in your back. Based on that, you can stay here or simply staying here diagonal to your knee, but actually in line with your knee. And 1, come up. Now from here, I'm going to straighten my back leg, lift. This time bringing my left leg in line with the short end of my mat here. Come into your pigeon pose. Here again, notice you've done this in the past. If you bring your heels closer towards your groin, and you can stay here. This may be a big stretch in itself, but if you're comfortable here, you can start slowly moving it, trying to bring the leg parallel to the short end of the mat. Notice stretch all along the outside of your left leg. Breathe in, Ardha Kapotasana. Again, you can reach forward, chin to chest, breathing in, exhaling completely. As you breathe in, bringing awareness to the area that you're feeling the stretch in. And now, press your palms into the mat. Come back, engage the back toe. I'm going to lift here. Come back into your Parshavottanasana, pyramid pose. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in, trying to bring your chest closer to your thighs. Chin in the direction of the chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. 2 and 1. Press your palms to the mat. Bring both your feet. Shake your legs out. Now this time, I'm going to come back to sit. Here, keeping my right leg in line with the long end, left in line with the short end of the mat. Knees can be all this way, or trying to keep the knee in line with your hip. Turn and twist to the other side. Breathe in and out. Walk yourself towards your right knee to begin. Stay here. Start bringing your right elbow towards your thigh. See how this feels in your back. If it's too much, no sharpshooting pain anytime during the practice, you can go back to here, staying here. Eventually, we're going to work our way to the other side. From your deer pose, we're going to move into Kapotasana. Bring your leg here. This time, try and bring my right leg in line with the short end of the mat. Stay here in Ardha Kapotasana. Or you can go completely onto your forearms or into your Supta Kapotasana. The important thing is to try and feel the stretch all along the outside of your right leg and see that you're not shifting weight and trying to keep your pelvis centered. Focus on that. Breathe in. Every time you breathe out, relax that muscle. The area that you're feeling your stretch in. 2 and 1. Press. Come up. Walk your leg. Going into a deep bend pyramid. 2. See, I'm rounding my back here. Chin to chest, forehead to knee. Notice the stretch all along the back of your legs. And 1. Release. Shake your legs out here. I'm going to bring my right leg between my palm. Come here to Ekapada Stasana. You see, I'm not lifting it all the way up. I'm here trying to bring my belly close to my thigh. Or you can simply keeping your hands on the mat, heels in line with your hip. 2 and 1. Bend your knee. Bend your knee. Balance. Bring your knee as you can and kick your leg out. Hands can either stay at the waist or raise up. 2 and 1. Step your left leg to the outside. Knees stacked over your ankles. Stay here. You can stay here. Parsvakonasana, Uttita Parsvakonasana here. Stretch. And then we're going to draw big circles in arm. 1, 2, and 3. Reach. If your left foot is lifting off, press it into the mat. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Release your hand, take it behind your back. Bend further. Bring my right hand to grab my left. Stay in this bandha. This is an option for you. If not, simply stay here, resting this behind here. 2 and 1. Release your leg. Come all the way up. Breathe in. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Uttita Tadasana. Breathe out. I'm going to turn, drop my hand towards my left foot. Lift my right heel off the mat. Ekapada Hastasana. Your choice. You can stay here. I'm not trying to take and go into a split here, standing split. Simply stay here. 2 and 1. Bend your knee. Lot of focus. Reach up. Hands at your waist. Breathe in and out. Step your leg back. Stacking your left knee over your left ankle. Place the right foot such that if I draw a line from the center of my heel, it bisects the arch. Stay here and stretch. 2 and 3. Reverse. 2 and 3. Take it all the way back. Continue staying here or create a lock, bringing your left from under your thigh, opening chest forward. 2 and 1. Release. Shake your legs out. I'm going to cross my ankles and come into my boat pose. Breathing in and breathing out. I'm going to bend my right and my left. Reach my hands out. Hands can stay here, or you can actually cross your arms or place it at the back of your head. Straighten your right and your left. A lot of balance. One more here. Stay with me. Let's do. Go. Last one. Awesome. Hug your knees. Just roll forward and back, relaxing your abdomen. Ease your legs. Lie down, shavasana. I hope you enjoy doing this quick, intense practice with me today. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Namaste.